Luxury Diva time. I used to get them at the end of the month, and then I told them I really need them sooner, so they started sending me at the beginning of the month, which is great. So you get like a little list of what's in here plus the prices. I don't want to look at that quite yet because I want to be surprised. And then it's got tissue paper and a little sticker. They always give you a little snack. Harvest cheddar sun chips. I can't eat these because they have gluten in them, but my grandson loves them, so we will give them to him. All right, what is this? I think this is one of those Swell water bottles. These things are expensive. Ooh, isn't that pretty? It's got this little case you can keep it in. And it is worth $24. I thought they were kind of pricey for a water bottle. Oh, my whole box is worth $115. Here is a, oh, I know who'd like this. I'll have to see if she has one. It's a Flamingo Makeup Bag. Just plastic inside, so if your stuff spills, it doesn't make a mess. I wonder if Jean has this one, or if she gets Luxury Diva, because we all know Jean from Jean's Junk loves flamingos. Here's some earrings. Give these to my granddaughter if she wants them. If not, I'll put them in a giveaway for you all. Oh, wait a minute. The earrings are $23. The Flamingo cosmetic bag is $16. Buzzed and Blushed. It's glued shut. Might have something around it. Looks like alcohol, but it's a blush palette. I'm not sure. I can't seem to get it open. I don't think it's got plastic on it. Huh. Well, can't get it open, but it is worth Italia Deluxe Buzzed Blush and Bronzer Kit, $17. So brush and bronzer together, that's nice. And this is some kind of a top. You can always use black and white striped tops. They're so in. Got little buttons on the sleeves. Looks kind of big. It says it's a XX. I don't know. I'll try it on, but it looks a little big. But it might fit. And this is ivory and black striped knit top, XX, $35. So we got this top, the makeup bag, the Swell bottle, the earrings, the blush and bronzer, and sun chips. So, tell me what you think. Somebody just came home, so I'll be back. Here's the top that I got. It wasn't too big after all. It's got little buttons on the sleeves and flowy sleeves. I think it's cute. Let's turn you around. Okay, even if I don't keep anything else out of this box, this was value of $35, so it's kind of itchy though. After I wash it, maybe it'll be okay. It's a little itchy, and I don't do itchy. If after I wash it, it's still itchy, I might give it away because I don't do itchy. But if I keep it, it's $35 and the box is $35, so got my value right then and there. And then this, if she doesn't already have one, I might send it to Jean if she wants it. I'll probably give these to my granddaughter if she wants them, otherwise I'll give them to y'all. I might keep this Swell bottle. It's kind of pretty. I got one like this last year and gave it to my granddaughter. And the bronzer and blush. So I think that's a good value for $35. $115 for $35. So that's the August Luxury Diva. This is a little itchy. Oh, darn, it's really cute. Hoping maybe the itchy will wash out, but probably not. I'm really picky about itchiness. My skin's real sensitive, so this is my hair I just had. She put low lights in it, which means she puts darker underneath to make the lighter in my hair pop out. So what do you think? Is that color pretty? And she gave me some stuff because my hair's usually so bushy. I bought some stuff from her that kind of smooths it down a little so it won't be as bushy. And then I also, just for fun, I don't know, we'll have to try it, see how it works. It's lavender, and you put it on. She's got all different colors, but I picked lavender just for fun. You put it on, it's a conditioner, and you leave it on for 10 to 30 minutes, depending on how deep a color you want. And it'll wash out the next time you wash your hair. It's like a little pot of it, so be able to do it multiple times. And it should just, these, like the gray hairs and the lighter brown hairs should turn lavender. So when I do that, I'll get on and let y'all see how it turned out. Not sure when I'm going to do it. Maybe Saturday. For Saturday. Do it Friday night for Saturday morning. But anyway, that's what I did today. I didn't get my hair cut. My granddaughter went and got her hair cut. And then I got they're like highlights, but the reverse. And then I got, a couple conditioner things. And then we went to lunch at a vegetarian place. My granddaughter's best friend's vegetarian. She wanted her to go try it, and she got this. It was like a club sandwich, but it was like it had vegan bacon, tomatoes and lettuce, and this chipotle mayo, and then a grilled piece of tofu. And she said it was really yummy. It was a sandwich, of course, and then came with some chips, but homemade chips, but she also got a side of like home fries. So, and they have breakfast all day long. I got some gluten-free pancakes, and they were really good. They were really thin and kind of crispy, crunchy almost. I think they had some cinnamon and sugar on it to make them a little crunchy. And they were yummy. I was going to get bacon, but their vegan bacon has wheat in it, so I'm like, well, no bacon for me. Alrighty, so let me know what you think of my Luxury Diva box, and if you're watching this, Jean, let me know if you want this watermelon flamingo bag. It's kind of weird because I would think it would go like this, but then everything's upside down. But if I put it like this with the zipper on the bottom, then the flamingos are all right side up. Oh, if you turn it around this way, now they're right side up. You just have to turn it around the right way. Now the zipper's on the top and the flamingos are right side up. And I guess you could use it for a little purse. Alrighty, that is it for Luxury Diva August edition. Hope y'all are having a good week. It's Tuesday. You made it 2/5 of the way. I will talk to y'all real soon.